everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my August fabric stash sort of pattern haul, fabric haul. I haven't done hardly any shopping whatsoever for myself. Obviously, as you know, I'm opening up the sewing school and that has taken up 98% of all my time, so I haven't had any chance or time to do any shopping whatsoever. So disclaimer, all the fabric in today's video has been given to me. It's a new company that I've discovered called the Craft Cotton Co. I'll put their website in the description. Now, I was talking to them ages ago about some denim that I wanted, and they were like, oh, we're getting some new denim in soon, like we'll let you know, because as you know I've been making that blessed denim jacket. And then they found my YouTube channel, so they asked me if I wanted some fabric to try, and I was like, of course, I would love fabric, so yes please. So they sent me like a surprise mystery box of fabrics, and I just thought I'd show you what they sent me and sort of some ideas I have for the fabrics. So and also, if you like anything, you can go and check their website out, because you know, we should all be supporting small businesses where we can. But yeah, a lot of the things I'm really excited about, so I just thought we'd go through them together and then I can show you what I've got. Okay, so the first fabric they sent me is this amazing denim. So I know you know that I bought two denims in my last video, but this one is paler. It's a nice sort of pale blue, and it's got that nice denim-y like fleck in it, so it's not all just one solid colour. But no, it's super light and super soft, so this is perfect for like a light dress, I thought, or a pinafore, or maybe not a pinafore, maybe like I don't know, a denim summer dress. But anyway, it's really nice quality, and I like it. I like this colour more than I like the mid blue that I've got. I've got my denim jacket here. I still haven't finished this blessed thing, so I thought I'd prefer the mid blue denim, but I think maybe because I'm pale, the pale denim is a slightly better colour. But obviously I'm still gonna finish this denim jacket and whatever. But I'm not sure if you could make, maybe you could, actually, the Mazer jacket that the pattern Mazer, the Mazer jacket pattern from Named Clothing, the one I've been using, that would be a really good jacket for this type of fabric, because there's lots of layers and there's lots of pieces that you put together. So this would actually make it more structured, because the denim that I've actually been using, which was from Minerva Crafts, is a really good quality denim, but it's really structured. So now that I've started piecing loads of bits together, it's now quite stiff. So also, if you have a tip for me for this denim jacket, how to soften it up, I don't want to, a friend of mine told me to put stones in my washing machine with it, and I really don't want to do that, because obviously I'll break my washing machine. But apparently that's how you got like stone washed denim, you just like batter the denim in the washing machine. But if you've got any tips of like how I can soften up that denim jacket, that would be amazing. So please comment below if you have that. But anyway, back to the fabric. Really nice denim, really nice quality. Definitely check them out if you're looking for denim. Okay, this fabric I'm in love with. I don't know what this is. I don't think, it's definitely not seersucker, but it's like, it almost looks like linen, like a striped linen, but I know it isn't linen. So maybe I should have researched on the website what this is before I did this video. But oh my god, I love this colour. And you know how much I've been loving stripes at the moment, and I know exactly what I want to do with this, but I will show you the pattern at the end of this video, because I have bought one pattern this month, just the one. I treated myself, and I'm hoping to make the pattern out of this. It's a lovely denim blue, but I am a fan of stripes at the moment, and this is just a perfect colour. And if this does work, or if you think it will work with the pattern that I've got, I'm very excited about it, because I think it will just be super summery and super lovely and floaty. So yeah, I really love this fabric. Okay, so the other things they sent me are some fat quarter sets, and I am a sucker for a fat quarter. when my mum used to work in a big fabric warehouse, that was the one thing when I was younger that I'd spend loads of money on, is fat quarters, and I would never make anything out of them because I just thought they were really pretty, and I'm afraid that that's going to happen to these. So I don't think they're labelled as like a style, but this collection is probably my favourite out of all the ones that they've sent me. So it's like loads of different sort of modern patterns, florals, but in like really nice modern colours, and I really like this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but they look quite pretty as they are, so they might just sit on my shelf. But I have got a lot of artwork that I want to make for the sewing school, just to have on displays and stuff, so I'm sure I can incorporate some of it into something like that. But yeah, I think this one might be the last used because it's so pretty. The next one is a collection of different coloured tartans, perfect for like autumn winter things. I think some like small stockings and things out of these would be so nice for Christmas. I know, sorry, I'm mentioning Christmas in August, but or maybe some like little drawstring bags, or they're quite, I know fat quarters are quite a lot of fabric anyway, but there is quite a lot of fabric there. Again, I'll probably use these for some like crafty displays and like making stuff, but I think fat quarters and loads of different designs are always really useful. And the last one is like a really springy, another floral design, but loads of spring colours, pretty like dainty florals, you know, right up my street. So I'm excited about using this one. And yeah, I love this like watercolour sort of like poppies. I think that's like a really pretty design. But again, I'll probably end up using them in some craft displays or something like that. But yeah, thank you very much, Craft Cotton Co. These will definitely come in handy. Okay, so now it's all about the jerseys. So you know how much I love jerseys. I have a ton of them. I love stretch clothing. I love working with jersey. I love making baby clothes. So these are perfect for my collection. One of the reasons that they're perfect is that they're not so like bright, so I can make a lot of items with them without it being quite noticeable. So the first one is a plain light grey jersey. Really good weight, really nice quality, super soft, because you know that's very important to me. I really like this. I was thinking t-shirts, joggers, things like that. I thought some pyjamas in this would be really nice because I do like grey pyjamas. I know that's a bit weird, but I do like grey pyjamas. And also, as you know, my best friend's little baby, my little munchkin, always needs some more clothes. So plain grey is perfect for like baby leggings. Honestly, like everyone thinks like white. No, grey is perfect for baby leggings. So little baby munchkin and I will be wearing matching outfits and ignoring her mother. The next fabric I'm so excited to make baby clothes with because it's actually really cute. It's this red polka dot. Now, I don't wear a lot of red, but I think this in like a t-shirt would be really, really sweet. But then I thought baby clothes would be so cute in like a polka dot, red polka dot. So, and also, I think a simple patterned red like this is great for all year round because it's sort of springy, summery, but then it can also be autumn, winter. So I think this is like a really, really great fabric to have. So yeah, I will probably make a few baby vests with this, maybe some leggings. I'm saying this, but I'm thinking about when the hell I'm going to get time to make all this stuff. But you know what I'm like, I like being prepared. So there's a lot of red to use here. And if I'm feeling daring, I don't know what you think, but I always worry about wearing red. I don't know if it's my colour or if it makes me look a bit pale. I mean, I look pale 80% of the time anyway, but you know. But I just really like it. It's a nice colour. Again, really nice quality jersey. You know how much I rave about a good quality jersey. The only thing I haven't done is I haven't washed this yet. But even when you stretch it loads, the polka dots don't crack or move or distort. So that's a good sign in my opinion. But yeah, excited to use this one. And the last jersey and last fabric they sent me is this really beautiful navy floral print. Again, super, super soft. I'm really impressed with the thickness of these. They're not too thick and they're not too thin. Again, like the polka dot, this is sort of like a, I don't know what they call it. It's not like a transfer, but you know when it's sort of like added on top, like a digital print almost. But again, when you stretch it, it doesn't distort the image loads. It still doesn't crack, it doesn't move. So I really, really like that. I definitely think this is screen printed or digitally printed on top, but I really, really like this pattern. Again, I can wear this, baby can wear this. It's such a great colour. And also spring, summer, autumn, winter, you could easily wear this all year round. So I really, really like this. Also, I thought maybe like a Tilly and the Buttons Cocoa. That would be nice in this. I might do that. I might make this into a cocoa with the like funnel neck bit. Add that to my to-do list. Okay, and the only pattern or the only thing I've actually bought myself this month is the Siren dress. Siren? Yeah, Siren. When Tilly launched this and the Stevie, I knew that I would absolutely love this dress. And now that I've seen, because it's been out for a few weeks now, and now that I've seen a lot of people make their Sirens on Instagram, oh my god, they just look so, so nice. So this pattern is what I'm hoping to do with this. Now, I don't know what your opinion is. You'll have to be very honest with me, but this is like super floaty and it's not too see-through at all. So I think it'll work really, really well. I haven't seen any other person make a striped one yet, so maybe I should look at a striped one. But obviously I want all the stripes going downwards because I think it would work better with the style of the dress and the like. I want to do this like flouncy. This is basically the style that I want. The button down front with like the flouncy bit at the top. I prefer it to this version with like the tie front. I definitely like the sort of floatiness of it. And I do like the sort of midi length rather than the mini. I think that would be nicer in like a long flowy fabric. So yeah, I'm really, really glad I bought this, even though I am stocking it in my shop, so I could have waited until that's delivered. But I wanted it now, so I've got it. Also, Tilly recently reached 100,000 followers on Instagram, and I think she did a discount code. I think it was that discount code that I actually used to get this. So I treated myself, but it was with a cheeky discount code. So definitely, if you like Tilly's patterns as much as I do, I just know that I feel really confident in making this, even though it's a bit different. I love all her patterns, and I love the new packaging, Tilly. It looks really, really nice. So yeah, I definitely would get one of these in your stash. I just think every year on year I'm going to keep making these. And I think I will eventually do the Stevie. But I have quite a lot of t-shirt dresses at the moment, so I thought I don't need that one right now. But I'm so glad I got this, and that's what I was hoping to do with this. So I'll be interested to hear what you say. But yeah, I'm sorry that I have done this video covered in paint and looking a bit worse for wear, but I've been at the unit all morning. Oh, look at my hands, look at it. I've been painting the stairs with Hugh's mum. And oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I didn't know I was this covered in paint. Oh dear, never mind. But things are going well. There is another video that I'll be posting at the end of this week or maybe early next week with another progress update. I haven't been filming every day because I've literally been painting every time I'm there. Mum and my brother have finished all the like masonry painting, and now we've been painting the doors and the stud walls and stuff like that. So I feel like we're very, very close to finishing now. But then I'm like, oh, now I've got to paint the stairs. So then I started painting the stairs today, and I was like, oh my god, there's so much painting to do. But we're coming to the end now, and we're hoping to have the launch on the 25th. I'm putting it out there because if I say it, then I'll stick to it. But the thought of committing to a day gives me hives. But it's going to be fine. Everything's on ordered, everything's planned. The IKEA delivery came today. Now, I mean, the place is a mess. You'll see it in the film, but the place is an absolute mess. But yes, it's getting there and I'm very excited, even though I haven't been sleeping very much, but it's fine. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it wasn't very interesting, and I'm sorry that I didn't have that many fabrics, but I hope that you liked what I had, and I will put the links to the company that sent me the fabric and the link to Tilly's patterns in the description if you just want to quickly click on that and buy one for yourself. I will hopefully post the sewing school progress video next week, and then I'm hoping to do like a sort of like a sew and tell video again, showing you what I've made recently, even though there's not going to be that many things, but I want to do one anyway because you guys seem to like them and I like watching them myself, so I thought, why don't I do one as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below if you liked any of the fabrics, if you have any pattern ideas for me, and also if you have any tips on how to soften that denim up, because that would be really, really useful. So I will see you next week or the week after for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.